Hi guys, welcome to Baking with a Sprinkle of Love. I'm Nisa, and this is my little sister Audrey.
And today we're going to show you how to make these cake pops.
So I already have my cake baked, and I've cut off my brown edges, so I'm just throwing it all in the mixer.
And also, when baking, to take precautions, you should always put your hair up to keep hair out of the food, and wear gloves to stop germs from getting into the cake.
Or wash your hands. Okay, so it's all in, and I'm just basically gonna mix it up. Sometimes you should add frosting to your cake, but if you get lucky, your cake will be moist enough to where you don't have to add anything to it.
Okay, so when you notice your cake starting to come together, you can turn off your mixer and start to knead the cake with your hands to make sure it's soft enough to roll into a ball.
Okay, so now that you have all your cake pop dough ready, what I like to do is get an ice cream scoop, a cookie scoop actually. That way I can make sure that they all come out the same size. Just scoop it up. You can do it. Just drop it in your hand and start to roll. I feel like when I roll them faster, they come out rounder. And have a plate ready lined with parchment paper or foil, anything, because when you're done rolling, you need to pop them in the fridge for about 30 minutes or for a few minutes in the freezer.
So bad at this.
It's okay. Just until they firm up a little bit so we can dip them, but be careful not to actually freeze them, because when you dip them, it will make your chocolate crack once the dough starts to thaw.
Okay, so when melting chocolate, you need to cook it in 15-second intervals and make sure to mix it in between, because if you don't, the chocolate can burn.
Microwave it for 15
Microwave it for 15-second intervals.
And it should look like this, nice and flowy, so you get a smooth dip. Can we grab the cake balls? So once you have your cake balls nice and chilled, I like to dip the stick in the chocolate and stick it in the cake ball, and this will help keep it secure to where it won't fall off the stick after you dip it in the chocolate. So you want to help me with this part, Audrey? Pick any colors.
How far should we put the stick in?
Oh yeah, don't put the stick all the way through, because you will crack your cake ball. Put it about halfway in.
There! Now I made it to world.
I feel like these are going to be too soft. So now, when you're dipping these, you can do them a few different ways. I have some strawberry shortcake right here. So dip it and carefully tap off the chocolate. Don't be aggressive, because I promise you it will fly off. And that's pretty sad. So I'm just tapping off the excess chocolate. And you can dip it in whatever you want. I have some strawberry shortcake crumbles right here.
There's also the gold glitter and the what's this called? Like
They're mini pearls. So you can go that route, or you can get fancy with your gold sprinkles. So dip your cake pot, tap off the excess. So you can make it fancy and sprinkle some gold sprinkles here on top. I even have a couple of fondant flowers here. You can stick one on. Pretty fancy, huh? You want to do one, Audrey?
I can try.
So tap it off gently, and as you tap it, you can turn it. That way, it coats it evenly. That's alright, just tap it all the way around. Or you can even get some with your hand and sprinkle it on. Yeah. You're fine. And I'm gonna leave a few of them plain, and I'll show you why in a bit. Okay, so those plain ones I dipped, they're all set now. They're nice and hard. So I'm gonna let my chocolate flow, and then I'm just gonna twist the cake pop right underneath it. And I have some little mini pearls here. I just sprinkle that on. And that's it. And here's another one where you pretty much do an S. You let your chocolate flow. You do an S right on your cake pop, and at the same time you're twisting it. Okay, you do it again until you've gone all the way around the pop. Wow, I just knocked one over. And then you can get fancy. This one here, I'm just gonna paint some gold on it. I have some edible gold paint here. Just brush it down all the way around. Then you can add a rose. I already did a rose, so let's do a bow. I have a fondant bow here. What I'm gonna do is add some chocolate to the back and stick it straight on to the cake pop. And to make it stand out more, I think I'm gonna go ahead and paint the bow gold also. Paint the bow. There you have a gold bow.
Commercial break.
Okay, so Mason, my nephew and niece's son, is going to pick whichever cake pop he wants. He's going to try it and tell us what he thinks.
Yeah.
What do you want, Mason?
Oh, I am gonna take this one.
Okay.
Taste it.
Bite it. Bite it.
What do you think?
It's good. It's good.
Do you give it a 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Good.
It might be on all the videos.
You might be on all the videos?
No, it might.
Oh.
You know, same 10 out of 10 might be on the.
Okay. All right.
I'm from TBGBs. Thanks for watching.
And also, subscribe to me. My channel is, I think, just Audrey Allred.
And TBGBs.
You stop looking with your mouth full. We didn't even see. Hey guys, I know that video was a little all over the place, but please bear with me. I promise you they'll get better. I'm just trying to get a feel of what it's like to be in front of the camera and get comfortable. And I was just having some fun with my little sister and my son. I would love to put up some more tutorials for you guys, so if you could please leave a comment and let me know what you would like to see. And I'd be more than happy to put those out for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Mason. Shh. You ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Hi guys, welcome to Dang it. Hi guys, welcome to my I forgot my name.
2 seconds in.
What the heck's my name? Okay. Okay, ready? Let's try it again. Ready? Okay.
Let's get started.
I was leaving.
Let's get started. Cut that out. I was way late.